Brace yourself for a moment that sounds impossible, a record so bizarre it bends what you thought could be real. In a tiny town, a chef stacked 600 pancakes in under 15 minutes using nothing but a griddle and an iron will. The moment exploded online as cameras captured syrup cascading, a crowd counting breaths, and a timer that refused to quit. Experts verified the feat with precise measurements, while the chef shrugged and claimed it started as a joke that spiraled. If one kitchen dare can rewrite the limits, imagine what your next snack could surprise the world with.